Paint It Black. Hi, I'm Sakina. Jamaicans shine in viral competition as pressure mounts on American Vogue to give more space to black creatives. Aspiring model and busy stylist make the cut in Teen Vogue's Best Vogue magazine cover Star Challenge.
Jamaicans make the cut in social media challenge. Model Abigail Myrie and stylist Nika Kelly in the spotlight after Teen Vogue asked black creatives to reimagine Vogue covers. The Vogue challenge starting on TikTok last month and later fueled by the Black Lives Matter movement. The fashion magazine's longtime editor Anna Winter having to admit that American Vogue has not found enough ways to elevate and give space to black editors, writers, photographers, designers, and other creators. An understatement capped by thousands of responses to the online challenge.
So I was just like, I can show her that I deserve to be on Vogue. So I quickly thought of the photos that I had with Fidge and Wade. And then I posted it, and when I posted it, I was just like, God, I just hope this blows up, I hope it goes far, but I'm just going to leave it in your hands and just go to sleep.
20-year-old Abigail Myrie, daughter of Till Shiloh DJ Bujabanton, the fresh-faced stylist Fidge Flesher had been searching for an editorial last year.
I saw a picture of Abigail from Trinidad Carnival the previous year on Instagram, and I was sold. I was sold, I casted her, and the rest is history.
Abigail pretty much bypassing the usual avenues in pursuing her dream.
It's a solo story. I didn't go the model agency route. Once last year I stopped at Pulse and I spoke to Kingsley. And I just didn't feel I was ready as yet. You know, I didn't feel like I was ready. I knew that I had work to get done. I knew that I had to work on my body, work on a lot of stuff. I just knew that it wasn't time yet, but I still wanted to hear what I had to get done to prepare myself.
But at 20, in the modeling world, you could be running out of time.
That's true, but I feel like when Jesus says yes, nobody can say no. So if God says 20, 21, I believe that he will take me there.
What's been your dad's reaction to all of this?
He told me congrats a million times. At first he didn't understand it because he's not social media savvy. So I had to explain to him what it was, and at first he thought it was actual Vogue, and I'm like, no, not yet. It was just a challenge. And then, of course, he embraced me and he posted it on his social media, and he was just very proud of me.
What's your expectations now after this challenge and the publicity your shoot has got?
I hope that agencies reach out. I hope that black people and black creatives get more exposure. And I hope that our voices are heard. I hope this shakes the table. I hope we get a seat at the table we built. I hope that, you know, black people are just celebrated and we feel good about ourselves and our talents and our art. And I just hope that this challenge shakes the needle a bit too, moves it actually.
We do have these major magazines that do come to Jamaica to shoot. Like, let's be real. Vogue has come here several of times to shoot. Marie Claire has come here. Elle has come here numerous of times. And they don't come to the local market to get the photographers, the stylists, the hairstylists, and the makeup artists. They fly in their crew, they fly in and they fly out. They get tucked away in the country. They don't come to Kingston. They don't see what the local creative scene is here. And we're just missed.
I am a fashion stylist and a creative director. I've been doing it for almost 6 years while I was at University of the West Indies.
What does a fashion director and a creative stylist do?
We make people look good, we think about brands, we think about marketing, and we make the entire thing look amazing.
How do you know what works?
I know what works because I study fashion and I study Vogue, and I just know what really works. And I know what Vogue aims for, and I know what makes a striking image.
Many struck by Nika Kelly's picks for the Vogue challenge. The busy stylist also going by the moniker Bootleg Rockstar.
I tweeted first that, should I join the Vogue challenge? And everybody retweeted and said, for sure, we were waiting on it. I was like, okay, let me try this. Then I posted 12, one for each month because I'm very extra. And in 10 minutes, it was viral. It was viral. And I got a notification on Twitter that Teen Vogue listed me as one of the 13 best Vogue challenges.
And that made your day.
And it made my entire day.
What do you imagine this is going to do for you in terms of an exposure beyond Jamaica?
I'm now, I believe, on everybody's radar, and it's something that I can use to my advantage to say, oh, I made this list, and it's Teen Vogue. You can't go wrong when you mention Teen Vogue. And I hope to, not just for me, but for Black creatives, that we get more than just a challenge. We actually get a platform, and we're included, and we're respected.
And it's nice if some offers come in.
Of course, Anna, call me.
Images of black models now all over Vogue online. The BLM campaign and criticism of Anna Wintour by former associates piling on the pressure. But after 127 years, only one black photographer has ever shot a Vogue cover, and only 21 black women have made a solo appearance where it matters most. So, expectations high.
What I would love to see is them scrap their September issue, because by now their September issue is already planned and ready for print, because we're now approaching July and the September issue comes out in August, which we all know in fashion is the most important issue of a magazine. So right now I would love to see them go back to the drawing board and rethink what their September issue is going to be like. Put somebody black on the cover, black photographer, you know what I mean? Like, do it.
House arrest. It's Monster Shack meets Scare Them with Mr. Lex thrown in.
General, in-house thing I get to me now.
We want to go a road. Song for our message, likewise the rhythm.
90s DJs join forces on Corona track. TikTok the inspiration.
General the idea.
It was his idea. I just put the icing on the cake. General came up with the idea and everything. And,
Like my idea was like his idea. I introduced him to one thing named TikTok. He has an art named TikTok, and I'm saying up on a beat and
Kim and me flip the idea.
I said, trust me, you know, the energy I'm
flip
gonna get.
the idea.
I'm gonna start right from there, and I'm saying.
You didn't start right until you see me. Yo, you never start right until you link me.
I don't know who right or
Daddy,
who
you
did
never
anything.
start right
I just
until
came
you-
in and killed it.
Oh, that Toddler and the great GB. Oh, they get wicked outside, no easy. Me not trust phone, me not even trust TV. You know, she said them and try kill we off at 5G.
You know this is a priceless
Yes.
moment.
General, be truth about it. What do you say?
The truth about it, anything you say.
Okay.
Tanda said it was their idea and I came in and killed it.
No, a female idea, but just flip it.
The flip side of house arrest, of course, the pandemic getting on everyone's nerves.
Social media never begin on my life. No, every 3 hours me a stream pan live. Music still a go on, you know what I'm saying? Dub plate, we just not give it on a stage show, but we have voice of 45, you know what I'm saying? And still a little dub plate them. You know what I'm saying? But otherwise, I'm that you can't go if you can enjoy yourself, if you have to stay in, cook.
It changed a lot of things for me still, because as you know, I make money from social gathering. So social distancing mash up everything for me. So thank God I have a sturdy catalog of songs. So, you know, with publishing and, the dub plate and all of that still, I live.
He's a youth, I love the streets. I always at where the party at. So it kind of damage the movements there me. And true, me is a team person. Whenever I take on the street with a team and go link up a next team. But otherwise, as the General and Lexus said, the catalog we have from 90s until now, it kind of make we a survivor wave.
Is there more of an appetite now for 90s music, or was the May 23 Beanie Bounty versus Showdown a one-off moment, unlikely to reinvigorate the careers of other DJs who flourished in the 90s?
So what Bounty and Beanie go on what here? It's like it just restart the game.
It's a level playing field right now. The world has grown and got accustomed to our hardcore drum and bass. In most cases, a lot of the song them that went international, they don't really know the words, but that drum and that bass is what happened.
Yeah.
The new set of song them don't have them
Lion
drum and
Rabbit,
bass. They are pingy, 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 panga, panga, pingy. So you understand? I don't know if y'all understand what I'm trying to say. This trap dancehall music now, it's kind of like sounding like something else, which they already have, and they are looking forward to something where they don't have. So I guess I just say it drop. If what them a do, they'll dominate the charts, they're gonna dominate the world as we know it, then we're good with that. Them not for change nothing. But it is not. And that's point blank. It is not.
Most of them young artists, they don't respect the elder artists and before them. You know what I'm saying? And them not no manners. These guys, they don't really understand the whole movement. So most of them, they're not doing research. You know what I'm saying? That's one thing where most of them don't like me and Alexis, where before we come here, I said, you know whether you would Admiral Bailey them, you know what I'm saying? We're doing research on the Dennis Brown them and the Greg Grice like them. So we can't tell where them did live. You know what I'm saying? Them first hit song, all of them things there. If you ask one of them artists, who them General B, and I'm going to say, ooh, Alexis, ooh. You know what I'm saying? Because them always gonna stop probably right Black Rhino.
Okay, so what about Monster Shack and Scare Them seizing the moment by reforming to perform once the pandemic passes?
Everybody is close. They want to call Ronnie right now and get him anywhere at all in the world. Just one phone call. As long as the negotiation is right, Monster Shack goes alright where him get Ronnie alright and General B alright. Monster Shack is on the stage.
What about you, Toddler? Could there be a reunion of Scare Them?
That hard for doing now.
Why?
That hard for do, King. I can't remember, you know.
Anything possible.
Listen to anything up, you can't say anything possible, but it's hard for do.
But right now is the time. You have to strike while the iron is hot.
Mr. Miller, listen. We are not enemies. We only have problems. You understand? So once the team member sort out their problem, we can have a reunion. Coach have him own issues, Dandy might have him issues. Remember, the whole them come from CV, you know. I come from Waltham. It might deeper than what me think, you know, King. So it's not like them hate each other, King, man. I can tell you, because I talk to the whole of them. And no man not eat them one of that.
But Joe can make it happen.
Remember that.
Curfew out the road, we catch you out the road. Curfew out the road, we catch you out the road.
And right now, the music business itching to break free from house arrest.
We just put in all the key ingredients. Them. I say, what go on now? Things that people are going to listen to. Yeah. A little bit of humor so you can laugh and all of that. And plus, all three were good looking. So it worked out perfect.
Tickle and handsome.
Curfew out the road, we catch you out the road. Curfew out the road, we catch you out the road.
Ghetto Michael Jackson takes us to the break. The shy MJ impersonator sporting a set of cosmetic braces since his viral TV appearance last week. Any dentist willing to help with some much-needed dentures for the youngster, please reach out to TVJ_ER on Instagram. Take it away, kiddo.
A skinny used to call before me and Ghetto Michael Jackson. Sometimes I do some side work and sometimes I do a rubbish stuff. Never easy for him. I just know him thing I've been now. Yeah, not to talk. Quiet. Only thing you do is smile sometimes.
You give him like $1,000, him catch some water for you, carry home. Give him 5 bills. If you're on a construction site, he will carry the sand, carry the cement mix, carry the steel. Anything basically just to survive through the day. He don't really have somewhere for sleep, so most time at night time you see him late, he will like go a party, entertain them, dance, and then he have something to eat for in the morning. So he rest during the day. For Michael, he's definitely portraying Jackson, and it's a work for him. He loves it. He's always saying, I'm going to buy some idol, get my face up, I want my nose to be straightened. He's always like that, curl up him ear, and he's have a big smile. If he could get 2 dentures originally fixed, the front teeth, that would be awesome for him. Anybody who can help, and he can definitely pitch in and would lose off him. I've not met one person that doesn't love Ghetto Michael Jackson.
This is Ghetto Michael Jackson in Demontown. You're watching ER.
Digital no longer a trend or a fad, but now how we live.